Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in today's additional in the newspaper of Friday, June the 26th. And we have here a binary puzzle, but what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row there's always a 4 ones and 4 O's. The same with the column, always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. We see here 4 1, so the rest are O's. And we have here double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1, so the rest are O's. And then double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Then between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between two O's comes in 1. Then let me see. Then I think I need to compare something. Yes, no. Double Alright. 101. Double yeah, this row and that row. 111111 empty box, 11 empty box. Alright, I need to switch these two numbers, otherwise I will have identical rows, and that is not allowed, one of the rules. So here we have an O, so this should be a 1. Here we have a 1, so this should be an O. Alright, so we have now 4 1, so the rest are O's. And now need to compare again. Let me see. 101, do we have a 101? Need to 1 2 3 O's. If I place the 4th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column, not allowed. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. And now yes, this column and that column, Let us compare. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box, empty box. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, yes. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have an O there, so this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, and O. Double O here, and 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, and O there, and O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. Great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku in today's newspaper. In the additional, it will be a tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you later, and bye bye for now.